Hey Mira, I heard you just started your thrift store. That's amazing.
Thank you, Shania. This has been in the works for a while, and I'm so happy it's finally happening.
That's awesome. How did you manage to fund it?
I invested in large cap funds a few years ago.
Large cap funds. So those investments helped you kickstart your business.
Exactly. Large cap funds allocate minimum 80% of their investments to the top 100 companies by market capitalization in the Indian market. These are typically leaders or potential leaders with established business models, and this approach aims to generate potential wealth.
That's really smart. I should consider investing for my dream business too.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.